makipag-ukran kayo hinan Isaiah 41:10. Amok ay popular di ka ako. So amok ay memorize yumot lang. So nga ikuha na yulat ka. Kanana hina. So do not fear for I am with you. Do not be dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and help you. I will uphold you with my righteous right hand. For I am the Lord, your God, who takes hold of your right hand and says to you, do not fear, I will help you. That's our Bible verse for today. Thank you, you can see and